Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Poultry. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications so you could see more of these beautiful videos. Make sure you subscribe. To make pikliz, it's very easy and simple. So you put vinegar and orange juice. You get it to a simmer. So you could get the taste that you want. And basically you could add your seasoning to it, which is hot pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. And you add some carrot, so that's just for my cabbage. So the cabbage is spicy cabbage, carrots, and onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and you could put some string beans if you want to, and some shallots. You want to make sure that it's flavorful, and also spicy. You could eat it with anything. You could eat it with fried plantain, whichever meat that you cooking, you could eat it with that. Then once you get it to a simmer, you take your cabbage and you put it on a bowl. And the final step is which you turn your fire off, and while it's hot, dump it in your spicy cabbage. And make sure you stir it thoroughly so it could get everything. Has a nice smell. Like if there's enough if there's enough scotch bonnet peppers, you're gonna smell it. Okay, and pretty much it. Then put my plate.